All right. Uh, let's just take a quick look and a couple quick things. First of all, let me open it up. If anybody has any questions on anything, are things making sense? Are you getting through the stuff in Google Classroom? Is that going okay? Mathagon, Khan Academy, those things going all right? Any questions on any of that stuff? You can give me a thumbs up if life is good. That works. Oh, we got a thumb sideways. Ah, okay. All right. So, like I said before, um, today I had a workshop for school, and so that was all morning from 8 to noon, and so I wasn't able to meet live with my other class, and so I'm just gonna do the same thing for the two classes. And instead of meeting today, I have a video, and it just happens to be an hour long that you can watch. I think it's kind of interesting. It might expose you to some things that you haven't thought of or seen before. And it's dealing with algorithms and math and a little bit of computer science stuff, and might be something that you hadn't seen before, or provide some new insight in terms of things like how Google works, and lots of different topics like that. So I hope you find it interesting. It's in Google Classroom. I'll share my screen really quick here and show you. Okay, so when we come into our class right here, of course, just a friendly reminder, if you ever need the Zoom info, obviously you all don't because you made it in here, but it's right here just in case. And then of course we go to the classwork tab, and then we're in week 4 right now, and it says Monday's class session. Please watch this video, and then go from there. These are very similar to the previous weeks. I did add one little thing in terms of the Mathagon. The time and the points now work on the, I can show you here. The time and the points work in the um, student dashboard. So I just did a couple things quick to show that. So I'd like to see this progress from you on Mathagon, as well as the answers to the 3-2-1 here. Um, and keep those coming in. I enjoy reading through those to see the stuff that you're exploring. So that's kind of cool, and I appreciate that you take the time to do that. So that's something that's just a tiny bit different, but otherwise we've got those two things. And then I'll post this video. I'm recording this right now. I'll put that right here as well, if you need to look back at what we talked about. But this video is an hour long, so I want to make sure that you have plenty of time to watch that. And I will cut you loose to do that. There's a few things to respond to, a few questions, but I hope you find it kind of interesting. Maybe there's something in there that you're like, ooh, I'd like to learn more about that. And that might guide you a little bit in terms of what you choose to look at on Khan Academy or in Mathagon. So um, hopefully that makes some sense. Does anybody have any questions about any of that? All right. Awesome. So I'm going to cut you loose. You can dig into watching that video. If you don't finish it right now, that's okay. But know that that's what we're doing today. And I look forward to seeing those, um, into seeing those responses and things. Sir has a question about the conversation. We're just talking about what we were up to over the weekend, how the weekend was. So, all right. Have an awesome day. I will see you all on Wednesday, and we will take it from there. Have a great one.
Mr. Brandon, why you gotta talk